Hey you guys, welcome back to another Sunday reset, and today you guys are going to come along with me while I get some things done around the house. We are going to go ahead and start off with making some of my mushroom coffee. I've been using this in replace of regular coffee several days a week. It helps with stamina, focus, stress relief. It's anti-inflammatory. It also has immune support and healthy digestion. But I just go ahead and add a little bit of honey in there. I did heat up the water in the microwave, and then I'm using this pumpkin spice zero sugar creamer. I still have it, so I'm just using it up, and it gives me more of a natural energy for the morning without the jitters and all that stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and wash the blankets. I like to do this weekly along with washing my pillowcases. That's most important because the oil and dirt buildup on your pillowcases goes right into your face, right into your skin, and can be the cause of acne. So I try and keep those as clean as possible.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder. Let's just take a ride along the bay. We don't need to work, we can sit around and play. I've been waiting for so long to get.
So we're going to go ahead and spray some of this Tide antibacterial fabric spray onto my mattress cover, and then go ahead and fold some laundry. This is something that I actually do almost every other day, so I can't really say it's like a Sunday or a weekend thing. It's like an every other day thing, but we're going to get these loads folded and these clothes put away.
All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. We'll be drinking champagne on the beach of Malibu, cruising down the boulevard, kissing in the backseat of the car, making love under the stars. Would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments of love, I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do.
So I try and vacuum every few days because I do have a lab and he sheds a lot, and my bedroom had not been vacuumed. So I went ahead and did that, and then also the upstairs hallway.
To be satisfied with me.
Here's the other side, like the back. Here's the side. This side is blank because no one decorates the side. Yeah. And there's a secret thing in the inside. Ooh. A little Christmas tree.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I.
I wanted to pick up a few items that are going to be from Chris and Snowy, our elves. And then those little twinkly lights were on sale for like $2 a box. So I got those. And the rest are just groceries and things that I needed to pick up and restock.
Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? You're the same. Are you the same?
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone.
So in today's video, I wanted to do a giveaway. We are going to do a $50 gift card giveaway. I will have the details down in the description box. You do want to be a subscriber of the channel. This is to show appreciation to all of you guys that support and watch my content. If you want to share the giveaway with a friend or family so they can enter and have a chance to win, but that's not a requirement. All you have to do is comment down below that you've entered, be a subscriber here on the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Again, I will post the rest of the details down in the description box.
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Just pick up your phone, tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this Sunday reset. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, give me a thumbs up, comment down below and say hi, and I will see you guys in the next one.